So now we are going to start for reason for upthrust. We have done that liquid is applying upthrust, but why it is applying upthrust? For this I have drawn one diagram to show you that we have already studied in previous chapter that when the body is immersed inside the liquid, the pressure according to the depth increases or decreases. So from the diagram, if I have drawn one block inside the liquid on which this is the part P1, this is the surface. Let's say the surface is A. If this is a surface A, this is surface B. According to the previous chapter, the pressure exerted on the surface A is less as comparative to the pressure exerted on the surface B, because the depth of A is less as comparative to depth of B. If depth varies, so pressure also varies on the two surfaces. The pressure exerted on surface A is P1, that is in downward direction, but the pressure exerted on the surface B, that is P2, but it is in upward direction. So see, I have mentioned over here that P1 is pressure on upper surface, P2 is pressure on lower surface in upward direction. Here it is in downward direction. So from this we know that the two pressures are different. If two pressures are different, it indicates that the difference in these two pressure will result in the upthrust. So I have written over here the difference in pressures due to liquid on the two faces of block causes net upward force. It means we know that P2 is greater than P1. So P2 is greater than P1 means P2 minus P1 will be equal to the upthrust. So upthrust क्या है? P2 minus P1. So अब हम इसे mathematically अगर verify करें, so according to the book they have drawn this diagram. So according to the diagram you can see one cylindrical vessel they have inserted inside the liquid on which the surface PQ is mentioned, then surface SR is mentioned, on which P1 is the pressure on surface PQ, whereas on RS the pressure is P2. See this diagram, this is cylindrical vessel, or you can say it is not a vessel, cylindrical box they have considered, or cylindrical block they have considered. So they insert it in a liquid. This is surface PQ on which pressure exerted from upward direction in downward direction, that is P1, but this is RS surface जिसके ऊपर जो pressure लग रहा है from downward to upward direction, that is P2. So please see here, if we have drawn and I have mentioned the surface A and B, pressure P1 on surface A, pressure P2 on surface B. So force exerted on these two is F1, F2. According to the formula, depth is there. So H1 is the depth of surface A, whereas H2 is the depth of surface B. So from previous chapter we have already learned the formula for calculating the pressure. That formula is P is equals to H rho G. We have already discussed about it. These are the factors also which are affecting the pressure on the body. So P is equals to H rho G we have done. According to this, if we go to this form, at depth H1, that is on the surface A, if we are going to consider, P1 is equals to H1 rho G. H1 is the height or depth of the particular surface from the surface of the water. So according to formula, if we want to calculate force, then F1 is equals to H1 rho G into area. Pressure is pressure is equals to force over area, and if we want to calculate the force, it is pressure into area. So here we have done, this is the pressure, this is the area. So area of both the cases are same. If area is same, we can calculate the force, that is H1 rho G A. Now surface B, at B surface at depth H2, then pressure is equals to P2 is equals to H2 rho G, because the depth in the given diagram is H2. So if we want to calculate the force F2, that is H2 rho G A according to this formula. So now we have already discussed that upthrust is due to the change in force. So we subtract this So F2 is greater than F1. Why it is greater? Because H2 is greater than H1. If H2 is greater, depth of the liquid, depth of surface B is more than the depth of surface A. So H2 is greater than H1. It means F2 is greater than F1. Therefore, upthrust is equals to FB. That is F2 minus F1. We feed these two values of F2 and F1. F1 H1 rho G A1 A. F2 H2 rho G A. H2 rho G A. H1 rho G A. So you can see from here that rho G A can be taken as common. But H2 and H1 will remain inside the bracket. So A is common, H2 minus H1 rho G. If we are subtracting two heights, the resulting will also be any height. So I have put H as the symbolic form for the result of the height. So area into height is volume. So it becomes V rho G. So our new formula for finding upthrust is equals to V rho G. What is V now? Area into height, that is volume, and hence therefore FB is equals to V rho G. That is new formula for finding the upthrust. So now next come the topic factors affecting the FB. So from the formula it is very clear that volume and density are more important rather than the gravity, because gravity is being multiplied, we know that. But for the single place it is not going to change. The change is in volume and density. So according to formula, the volume of the body submerged in liquid, second is density of the liquid, कितना वॉल्यूम लिक्विड के अंदर है उसके अकॉर्डिंग, एंड सेकेंडली उस लिक्विड की डेंसिटी क्या है. So this was the factors which are affecting FB, which we have calculated from the formula. Now come, what is the effect of upthrust? In our daily life we see that upthrust is being applied by the liquid. When somebody is inside some body is inside the liquid, it is feeling upthrust. But what is the effect of upthrust in daily life? Effect is weight of the body appears less than its actual weight of the body. जितना उसका एक्चुअल वेट है हवा में, उसका वेट पानी के अंदर या लिक्विड के अंदर कम लगेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू टेक वन बकेट फुल ऑफ वाटर, इफ यू वांट टू टेक इट आउट, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? Till it is inside the liquid, we feel that the weight of the body or weight of the full liquid, bucket filled with liquid is less, whereas when you take it out, as it comes out of the liquid, the actual weight is going to be felt, and we feel कि शायद ये भारी हो गई. वो भारी नहीं होती, वो उतनी है. बस रीजन क्या है कि अपथ्रस्ट लगने की वजह से वो एक्चुअल वेट से कम लगती है हमें जब तक वो लिक्विड के अंदर है. When it comes out from the liquid, the actual weight is going to be calculated.